Welcome to our deep dive into the CMOS inverter, a fundamental building block in digital electronics. In this video, we'll explore how CMOS inverters work, their structure, and why they're so crucial in modern circuit design. Whether you're a student, engineer, or simply curious about technology, understanding the CMOS inverter is essential for grasping the basics of digital logic. We'll start by looking at what CMOS means, then move on to the inverter's operation, and finally discuss its applications and advantages. Let's begin our journey into the world of CMOS technology. CMOS stands for complementary metal oxide semiconductor. This technology is widely used in creating integrated circuits, including microprocessors, memory chips, and digital logic circuits. The term complementary refers to the use of both P-type and N-type MOSFETs in the design, which work together to achieve efficient switching and low power consumption. Understanding CMOS is key to appreciating why inverters built with this technology are so effective and reliable. Next, we'll see how these components come together in a CMOS inverter. Basic CMOS inverter consists of two MOSFETs, a P-type and an N-type. The P-type MOSFET is connected to the power supply while the N-type is connected to ground. Both gates are tied together and serve as the input, while the output is taken from the connection between the two transistors. This simple yet powerful arrangement allows the inverter to switch states efficiently, making it the backbone of digital logic circuits. Let's visualize the structure and understand how it operates. Operation of a CMOS inverter is straightforward. When the input is high, the N-type MOSFET turns on and the P-type turns off, pulling the output low. Conversely, when the input is low, the P-type MOSFET turns on and the N-type turns off, pulling the output high. This switching action is what gives the inverter its name, as it inverts the input signal. The efficiency and speed of this operation are what make CMOS inverters so popular in digital circuits. One of the key aspects of CMOS inverters is their voltage transfer characteristic, which describes how the output voltage changes in response to the input voltage. This curve is typically steep, indicating a sharp transition between logic states. The voltage transfer characteristic is important for understanding noise margins and the reliability of digital signals. We'll examine this curve and see how it ensures robust operation in digital systems. Noise margin is a critical concept in digital electronics. It refers to the range of input voltages over which the inverter reliably distinguishes between logic high and logic low. CMOS inverters are known for their excellent noise margins, which help prevent errors caused by electrical noise or signal fluctuations. This reliability is one reason why CMOS technology dominates digital circuit design. Let's explore how noise margin is determined and its impact on circuit performance. CMOS inverters are famous for their low power consumption. Power is mainly consumed during switching when the output changes state. In steady-state operation, both transistors are never on at the same time, which minimizes current flow and reduces power usage. This efficiency makes CMOS ideal for battery-powered devices and large-scale integrated circuits. We'll discuss how this low-power feature benefits modern electronics. Speed is another advantage of CMOS inverters. They can switch states rapidly, enabling high-frequency operation in digital circuits. The combination of fast switching and low power consumption is what makes CMOS the preferred technology for processors, memory, and other high-speed applications. We'll look at the factors that influence inverter speed and how designers optimize performance. CMOS inverters are used because of their reliability, efficiency, and versatility. They form the basis of many digital logic gates, such as NAND, NOR, and XOR. Their low power consumption and high speed make them suitable for everything from simple logic circuits to complex microprocessors. In this scene, we'll summarize the main reasons why CMOS inverters are so widely adopted in electronics. CMOS inverter is not just a standalone component. It is also a building block for more complex logic gates. By combining inverters with other CMOS structures, designers create NAND, NOR, and XOR gates, which are essential for digital computation. Understanding how inverters fit into these larger circuits helps us appreciate their importance in digital systems. In circuit diagrams, the CMOS inverter is represented by a simple symbol, a triangle pointing to a small circle. The triangle indicates the direction of signal flow, while the circle represents inversion. Recognizing this symbol is important for reading and understanding electronic schematics. Let's see how this symbol is used in real circuit diagrams. Physical layout of a CMOS inverter on a chip involves careful placement of the P-type and N-type MOSFETs. Designers must optimize the layout for speed, power, and area. This process is crucial for achieving high performance in integrated circuits. We'll explore how layout decisions impact the inverter's characteristics and overall chip design. CMOS inverters are fabricated using advanced semiconductor manufacturing techniques. The process involves creating layers of metal, oxide, and semiconductor materials to form the MOSFETs. Precision and cleanliness are vital to ensure reliable operation. We'll discuss the steps involved in fabricating CMOS inverters and how technology advances have improved their performance. One of the remarkable achievements in CMOS technology is scaling. As devices become smaller, CMOS inverters are miniaturized to fit more circuits onto a chip. This scaling improves speed and reduces power consumption, but also introduces new challenges such as leakage currents and variability. We'll examine how scaling affects CMOS inverter design and performance. As CMOS devices shrink, leakage currents become a concern. These unwanted currents can increase power consumption and affect circuit reliability. Designers use various techniques to minimize leakage, such as optimizing transistor dimensions and using special materials. Understanding leakage currents is important for designing efficient CMOS inverters. Delay is a measure of how quickly a CMOS inverter can switch states. It depends on factors like load capacitance, transistor size, and supply voltage. Minimizing delay is crucial for high-speed circuits, especially in processors and memory. We'll discuss how designers calculate and optimize inverter delay for better performance. An out refers to the number of inputs a CMOS inverter can drive without performance degradation. High fan-out capability is important for connecting multiple gates in complex circuits. Designers must ensure that the inverter can handle the required load while maintaining speed and reliability. We'll explore how fan-out is determined and its significance in circuit design. CMOS inverters are used in a wide range of applications, from simple logic circuits to complex microprocessors. They are found in memory cells, clock circuits, and signal processing units. Their versatility and efficiency make them indispensable in modern electronics. We'll highlight some common applications and explain why CMOS inverters are so valuable. In memory circuits, CMOS inverters are used to store and process data. They form the basis of SRAM cells, where their fast switching and low power consumption are essential. Understanding how inverters function in memory helps us appreciate their role in computers and mobile devices. Clock circuits rely on CMOS inverters for generating and shaping timing signals. The inverter's fast response and sharp transitions are ideal for creating precise clock pulses. These pulses synchronize operations in processors and other digital systems. We'll see how CMOS inverters contribute to reliable clock generation. Signal processing circuits use CMOS inverters to manipulate digital signals. Their ability to invert and amplify signals is crucial for filtering, encoding, and decoding information. We'll explore how inverters are used in signal processing and their impact on digital communication. Microprocessors depend on CMOS inverters for logic operations and signal routing. Their speed and efficiency enable complex computations and fast data processing. We'll discuss how inverters are integrated into microprocessor design and their role in modern computing. Mobile devices use CMOS inverters for efficient logic and signal processing. Their low power consumption is crucial for battery life, while their speed supports responsive user interfaces. We'll see how CMOS inverters contribute to the performance and reliability of smartphones and tablets. Embedded systems rely on CMOS inverters for control logic and signal conditioning. Their versatility allows them to be used in everything from automotive electronics to industrial automation. We'll highlight how CMOS inverters enable reliable operation in embedded applications. Internet of Things, IoT devices use CMOS inverters for efficient logic processing. Their low power and high reliability are essential for sensors, smart appliances, and connected devices. We'll explore how CMOS inverters support the growth of IoT technology. Automotive Electronics use CMOS inverters for control systems, safety features, and infotainment. Their robustness and efficiency are vital for reliable vehicle operation. We'll discuss how CMOS inverters are used in modern cars and their impact on automotive technology. Industrial automation systems depend on CMOS inverters for logic control and signal processing. Their reliability ensures smooth operation in factories and production lines. We'll see how CMOS inverters contribute to efficient and automated manufacturing. Medical devices use CMOS inverters for signal processing and control logic. Their low power and high reliability are essential for patient monitoring and diagnostic equipment. We'll highlight how CMOS inverters support advanced medical technology. Communication systems rely on CMOS inverters for signal encoding, decoding, and amplification. Their speed and efficiency enable high-speed data transmission and reliable connectivity. We'll explore how CMOS inverters are used in modern communication networks. Consumer electronics such as TVs, gaming consoles, and smart home devices use CMOS inverters for logic and signal processing. Their efficiency supports responsive performance and energy savings. We'll discuss how CMOS inverters enhance the user experience in consumer products. Robotics systems use CMOS inverters for control logic, sensor processing, and communication. Their reliability and speed are crucial for precise movement and intelligent behavior. We'll highlight how CMOS inverters support advanced robotics technology. Aerospace systems use CMOS inverters for control, navigation, and communication. Their robustness and efficiency are vital for reliable operation in harsh environments. We'll explore how CMOS inverters are used in satellites, aircraft, and space exploration. Security systems use CMOS inverters for logic control and signal processing. Their reliability ensures accurate detection and response in alarms, cameras, and access control devices. We'll discuss how CMOS inverters contribute to secure and efficient security technology. Smart home devices use CMOS inverters for logic processing and signal conditioning. Their efficiency supports automation, energy management, and responsive control. We'll highlight how CMOS inverters enable smart and connected homes. Wearable devices, such as fitness trackers and smartwatches, use CMOS inverters for logic and signal processing. Their low power consumption is essential for long battery life and compact design. We'll see how CMOS inverters support the growth of wearable technology. Environmental monitoring systems use CMOS inverters for sensor processing and data analysis. Their efficiency supports real-time monitoring and accurate measurements. We'll discuss how CMOS inverters contribute to environmental protection and sustainability. Energy management systems use CMOS inverters for control logic and signal processing. Their low power consumption supports efficient energy use and smart grid operation. We'll highlight how CMOS inverters enable advanced energy management solutions. Research and development labs use CMOS inverters for prototyping and testing new electronic designs. Their versatility allows for rapid innovation and experimentation. We'll discuss how CMOS inverters support technological advancement and discovery. Educational institutions use CMOS inverters for teaching digital electronics and circuit design. Their simplicity and effectiveness make them ideal for learning and experimentation. We'll see how CMOS inverters are used in classrooms and labs to inspire future engineers. Test equipment uses CMOS inverters for signal generation and analysis. Their reliability ensures accurate measurements and diagnostics. We'll highlight how CMOS inverters contribute to effective testing and quality control in electronics. Power supplies use CMOS inverters for control logic and signal processing. Their efficiency supports stable and reliable power delivery. We'll discuss how CMOS inverters are used in power management and regulation. Lighting systems use CMOS inverters for control and automation. Their reliability ensures efficient operation and energy savings. We'll see how CMOS inverters enable smart lighting solutions in homes and businesses. Audio devices use CMOS inverters for signal processing and control logic. Their efficiency supports high-quality sound and responsive operation. We'll highlight how CMOS inverters enhance audio technology and user experience. Visual display systems use CMOS inverters for logic and signal processing. Their speed and efficiency support crisp images and smooth operation. We'll discuss how CMOS inverters contribute to advanced display technology. Summary: CMOS inverters are essential components in digital electronics, offering reliability, efficiency, and versatility. As technology advances, new materials and design techniques will further enhance their performance. From microprocessors to IoT devices, CMOS inverters will continue to play a vital role in shaping the future of electronics. Thank you for joining us on this journey through CMOS inverter technology.